G'day pocket watchers, what time is it? Oh, it's in paranormal investigation time, there we go. Where are we? Well, we call this the middle of the sticks. That means in the middle of nowhere, out back. Not a whole lot of cohabitation going on out here. Why we set up an investigation on what looks like a train track, because it is a train track. I'm here with Come Hither with Heather, behind the bright lights. Moira does tarot with Come Hither with Heather. A very special member of our team. I didn't want to mention the word team, but now I've mentioned it, I'll have to tell you. We're forming a new paranormal team here in Adelaide, South Australia. Megan's part of it, Moira's part of it, Pocket Watch, you got me here. Heather's always in, and Werner, he'll be up for anything. So, that's going to be the basis of our new team. So I guess this is our first official investigation together as a team. So we are at railway tracks. 2 people tragically died, hit by a train on a motorbike with a sidecar. 1919 it occurred. Railway crossing just here where these cars will cross. You can see the headlights come into view, and I'm on the tracks, and there it goes. They traced the train could see them coming. They were hoping they'd stop. They blew their whistle. Everyone saw it happen, the guard, the driver. But the guy tried to beat the train and didn't succeed. So we are going to try and contact those members of the community that had passed away here, or perhaps the train driver or the conductor or the fire warden, as they were called back then, and see if we can actually get in contact with anyone from back then. We're going to see if the couple that passed away have got any residual energy here, or whether they're actually still hanging around here, or whether they'd actually like us to talk to them somewhere else. So we do have another location to go to after this, to do with this site. So back to you, Heather. Oh, I should explain what we got. We've got the cat's balls. We've got a torch. That one's for me. That's the old K2. K2 been going the whole time we've been here. These cat's balls. We've got ghost tube Vox, going to be running on Heather's auxiliary device. We got dowsing rods. We got ourselves, our own abilities. Right, shall we kick it off?
I had that on aeroplane mode.
Look at the EMF meter, it's really going off.
It is. Now I had Ghost voice box on aeroplane mode.
Have a look at them.
Obviously
okay.
it has to come off aeroplane mode.
All right, that's good to know.
To work. So my name is Heather.
My name is Tanya, also known as Pocket Watch.
My name's Megan.
Moira.
My name's Werner.
And
Werner's
we-
Adventures.
And we are here to chat to any spirits that might be with us tonight. We don't mean any harm. We're friends. We want to know your story. We have a number of devices here that you can let us know that you're here.
Train.
Train, yes.
Yes,
This
train
is
it
a
is.
train track. And you can manipulate any of these devices you want to. It's totally up to you.
Looks
I know
like you
somebody
already know
likes-
how to play with the K2, which is the EMF, electronic magnetic field readers.
Yep, somebody likes that.
So that one's been going off the whole time. You can also play with cat balls. You just take a little movement and they'll flash up for you. This will take you to use your energy to bridge that line there, to make that torch go. That one won't work for you.
And don't forget behind Pocket
Oh,
Watch we
behind.
have the REM pod, and that's not doing anything at the moment.
And you can go up to this and touch it, or not actually physically touch it. You don't have to touch the aerial, just go close to it. That's as close as you can get. There's a temperature sensor on that, as well as a motion detected.
Okay.
Did you catch what that said?
I think so, and I can't hear what it's saying.
Me neither. You have to get closer to you.
Yeah, let's get closer.
Try not to fall off the track.
Right, now, would anybody like to communicate with us?
We don't mean any disrespect. We pay our respects to the elders of this place, the ancestors of this place. We would like to speak to the people that were involved with the tragic passing of the young couple in 1919. Megan, you remembered the name of one person? Eugene Armstrong. And Roy Ailing.
Are you with us tonight?
Eugene and Roy?
You can use our energy.
You can't use my energy. You can use his energy.
You can use Werner's energy. He doesn't mind.
You can use my energy. If you want to communicate to us.
I'm not sure how to interpret it.
And as you see, it's a busy road. And back in the day, this would have been the only road. It would have been dirt. These people were coming back from a footy match, so about 3 in the arvo. Afternoon for those people that don't speak Australian slang. Might come down a little bit closer to the Ghost Tube Vox.
Yes. Ghost Tube Vox is new for us. It's a new app that's just been developed, and we've only used it, well, I've only used it once before. And so I might have to move on to something else while I'm still getting used to what Vox is all about.
So Eugene and Roy, if one of you or either of you are here, there's various ways you can communicate with us through this device here. It has a sound bank you can manipulate to create your words. We've got these flashing balls, they're motion sensors. Just give them a nudge and they'll colour up, let us know you're here. Someone's already playing with the K2 because that's been going off, so you're getting a hang on that. You got your RAM pod down the back there. Just go close to that thing, you don't have to touch it and it'll go off.
Are the train drivers here that were involved in the accident?
And by the way, this is now a disused railway track, so we have no risk of being run over by anything but the ghost train.
Yes.
And there is no reports that there is a ghost train. We're just saying we would not like to be run over by one.
No.
But hey, that'll be a great capture on camera. So if you do need that to happen,
that would be awesome.
give us that evidence. It'd be awesome. Yeah, go on. Yeah, we can jump off this track fast when the chugga chugga comes, I can tell you that much.
Yes.
We also have, you'll get lots of flying of insects into our lights, and they are flying bull ants, leaving their nest. Bull ants, big things.
So that was
About
a
that
piece
big.
of music.
Take your time, get used to using the devices. And when you feel comfortable using the devices, either through this one, say ready or OK, and through the balls or the K2 or the REM pod, give them a nudge just to let us know that you're ready to go. Do you want to recalibrate that one in case it's just picking up from the metal from being placed down when we... Oh,
shit.
pa-ching! Oh, the cat ball, flying cat balls. Yes,
Flying
they
cat-
are nice and strong.
Oh, they're not even on. That wasn't even on.
They
So-
are nice and strong
that's
for when
on.
cats flick them around the house.
Okay.
Don't shake it. It's a
Bull ant.
big fly bull ants. You need to face it away from the box. So,
Oh, the phone actually doesn't do it too much damage.
oh, cool.
I
Away
noticed
from
that
the
because I did an
sound.
experiment with the phone. Whoopsie.
Okay. Might hold it here closer to the camera to pick up the sound.
Doesn't come up with words. It's a little bit like necrophonic, isn't it?
Yep.
Maybe it did have an effect.
All right. I'm going to ask our resident mediums and psychics if they're actually feeling any spirits around us at all. Moira, Megan, how you going there?
Good.
Getting any vibes?
I heard a train whistle.
Yeah, I heard a train whistle too in the box. How about you, Moira?
I heard a cough.
What I'm getting is residual. I'm feeling the horror and then the sadness of the train driver.
Yep.
But I'm personally not noticing any active spirits here.
Okay.
That moment of impact seems to be reclaimed for the train driver.
Yep. That sort of shock horror, knowing it's going to happen, unable to stop it.
Now the box is bunter.
Is there anyone here that would like to communicate with us through the dowsing rods? I've got, yeah, dowsing rods, mate. You know, the things you used to look for water with. Yeah, okay. You can also use these to communicate with us. Put this up somewhere where I can see what I'm filming. Let's have a look at me boots. Yes. Okay. There we go. Woohoo. I know. Not real professional. Sticking the camera between my legs with the dowsing rods out the front, but you got to do what you got to do on site. Okay, so yeah, I know. So, is there anyone here that would like to communicate with me through these dowsing rods? Make them cross over for yes, open up for no. Oh, that was a bit. That's just me moving my body weight. Let's steady them again.
Oh, cat's ball.
Whoa. Is that from you stepping on that one, or is that...
Well, it shouldn't be. These are pretty.
That's pretty cool. We've just...
Oh, hang on, it might be.
Yep, so step off the ones with the bowls. No false positives. Okay, I can't even control these.
That just said control.
Sorry, there's no control of it. These do have a mind of their own. So when you do see them move,
That wasn't me.
cool as, we've got a cat ball happening.
Excellent, thank
Whoa,
you.
Where is it? Where is it? There it is.
Hey, can you tell us who you are? Can you hold that? And put it on me. I might do a... I too am going to use a dowsing rod.
You can't see it.
You will be able to.
Yep. I think it just did say I didn't see it coming. Yeah, you did, mate. But it was too late when you saw it.
Okay, is the train driver with us? Cross the rods for yes. Thank you. Can you pull them apart? Can you put them back to the front for me? Can you put them back to the front? Make them face the front. Right, then I'll do it. Okay.
Heather, can you sit down? Because I can't see it. You have to sit down. I can see Tanya's.
So who's ever here would like to talk to us. Doesn't have to be people that were involved in the crash. It can be anyone who had to deal with the aftermath, come in here afterwards. People had to go tell the parents. Is there anyone that would like to speak with us?
Oh,
Yeah, this is good. This
wow.
is very good.
Okay, can you push them open again for me,
You got a
please?
spider on you. Don't move. It's crawling on your neck.
We're getting insects. We're being invaded by insects.
Hang on. Come over here for a sec.
Debugging.
Debugging me.
Okay.
Okay.
Not the best filming at the moment, so I haven't got any chest harness
Okay,
on.
if somebody, whoever's moving the dowsing rods, can you just make them face the front for me? Can you make them face the front? Thank you. Right. Train driver. Yes, thank you. Just pull them out for me. But make them face the front. I want to ask you a few questions. Thank you. I don't know what to ask. Now, how did you
Just use one.
do you feel guilty over what happened? Cross the rods for yes. You do?
You want to answer through one rod?
Uncross the rods.
To my right for yes, to my left for no.
Uncross the rods. Uncross the rods for me. Maybe. Uncross the rods. Thank you. Now, did you know that you don't have to feel guilty, that it's not your fault? Cross the rods for yes. Move them apart for no. Do you know you don't have to feel guilty? Right. Uncross them again for me, please. Uncross them for me, please.
Sounded like a bit of a train whistle again.
Yeah. Can you uncross them for me, please, driver?
Slide off.
Driver, can you uncross them for me, please? Thank you. Now, are you here because you feel guilty? cross the rods for yes, uncross them for no. Are you only here because you feel guilty? Yes? Okay, uncross them again. Uncross them all the way, all the way. Face the front.
Yeah, I did.
Are you stuck? Oh. Are you stuck here because of what happened? Is it your guilt that's making you stay here? Yes, uncross the rods for me. You can do it. Are you looking to move on? Did you want to move on from this place? Do you want to release all the guilt? Angel. Okay, uncross the rods for me. If you would like Moira and Tanya to help you cross, would you like to cross? Cross the rods for yes. Both of them. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, can you uncross them again for me, please? All right, what's going to happen now is Moira and Tanya are going to help you cross over.
I'm going to come down where you are, and we'll do it on more stable ground.
Okay, turn that off.
And we're going to help
And I'm going to
these people cross over. So if you want to see that piece of paranormal action, check out part 2. Thanks for watching, everyone.